Hello everyone, we're live from the buzzing expo floor in SBC Summit Latin America 2024. I'm Fernando from SBC Noticias and I'm joined today by sales manager from Altenar, Diego Salas. Diego, ¿cómo estás? How are you?
Thank you so much, man. It's very chaotic event. It's been a lot of people, a lot of meetings, but so happy with the outcome of the event. It's all every time we go to SBC events, mostly coming from Lisbon and now to Miami. It's nice to see always our customers, partners coming to say hello in our stand, saying the crowd that is gathering the exhibition is nice.
It's always a pleasure to have Altenar at SBC events, and of course you have been sharing your knowledge with the people that have been coming to the Altenar stand, and I would like to ask you, for this knowledge you've been sharing, we want to share it with the rest of the audience here at the channel. So AI, like artificial intelligence, has been like in everyone's mouths. It's like the hot topic for the last months or even years. So how has the usage of artificial intelligence reshaped the sports betting industry?
Indeed, AI, I think, came to the industry already to stay. In my opinion, in the sports betting industry and generally in the industry, AI, we are seeing just 5% a layer of the potential that the AI has to bring and to give to the operators and to the industry overall with the technologies that we are building. I mean, AI is not only ChatGPT, it's not Midjourney. AI nowadays can be used for many, many things. Nowadays, we can see in the sports betting industry, for instance, how AI can help to do the profiling in players, do the risk management, to do the odds comparison. So there are, I think, still as I mentioned before, several ways that AI is going to impact the day-to-day operations. We are start seeing how AI, not only from the player journey perspective, are helping to shape the operations, also is helping the operators and providers in the day-to-day operations within the companies, helping them to make reports, to make different marketing. Now they are able to use AI to make banners, to make images, Midjourney, use different tools that AI is bringing at the moment to make the life easier. I believe it's not going to replace the human work, but it's going to be a good complement. What I say again, I think that the potential still has to be seen.
So no Skynet with AI.
Yeah.
So no, we'll get to use AI for the better of the industry, of course.
Yes.
And in this event, we have seen a lot of Brazilian people, and of course, the Brazilian market has been the most debated topic. Like everyone wants in the Brazilian market, the regulation is already into force, and the market is already kind of like developing into the final form it will have. So how does Altenar prepare for this market? What are your expectations? What are your goals in the Brazilian market?
Fortunately, since Brazil started booming in the industry, I mean, it's been years since Brazil were talking about regulating the market and doing some things. We have been in the market. So fortunately, at the moment, we have several customers and operators using our solutions in the market. We already got the license certifications to provide our services as a B2B providers. And basically, we are ready. We are opening our company in Brazil to help more in a faster way our operators and the future operators that we are going to get in the market. I still believe that what we are seeing in Brazil is not into what we are going to see next year when the regulation is going to come full into place.
And let's get out of Brazil and into the rest of Latin America. What is your focus now for the rest of the Latin American markets?
Still, Latin America is one of our main, let's say, and important markets as a company. Latin America is true that you see a lot of European big brands, operators coming to Latin America. Latin America is still in a process that is growing, which many operators and providers can take advantage of it. So what we are doing is also, as we do in Brazil, we are investing in the other countries. We just this year opened an office in Uruguay. We are moving off, let's say, we have several teams working remotely. So we are moving those teams to our office in Uruguay. providing a close service and support to our customers. We are getting more and more people in that sense. Also, every country now that you see is getting into the regulation. We are speaking Colombia, freshly regulated and open Peru, Brazil. They are talking about Chile. So our system and platform now is ready to provide our services in those markets, and not only in those ones, in the ones that are going to come in the regulation, because we adapt our solution to every single market.
Diego, thank you very much. Always a pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.